Once upon a time, in a quiet little town, lived a kind and gentle girl named Anna. She had golden hair that shone like the sun and a smile that could light up the darkest room. Every night, Anna would sit by her window, watching the stars twinkle in the sky. She loved the peacefulness that came with the night, and she would often make wishes on the stars. One night, Anna noticed a star that was brighter than all the others. It seemed to beckon to her, inviting her to make a special wish. Anna closed her eyes, made her wish, and blew out a soft breath. The next morning, Anna woke up to find a small, feathered creature at her window. It was a starling, with shimmering silver feathers. Anna opened the window and the starling hopped in, chirping happily. Anna was surprised, but she knew in her heart that this was the answer to her wish. She named the starling Stella, and they quickly became the best of friends. Every day, Anna and Stella would go on adventures together. They would explore the woods, chase butterflies, and pick wildflowers. Anna learned so much from Stella, and she loved every moment they spent together. But as the days passed, Anna realized that Stella was not like the other birds. She could talk, and she could answer all of Anna's questions about the stars. Anna was amazed, and she felt as if she had been given a special gift. One day, Anna and Stella were sitting by the river, watching the sunset. Anna looked at Stella and asked, "Stella, why were you sent to me? Why did you come from the stars?" Stella looked at Anna with her wise, knowing eyes. "I was sent to you, Anna, to remind you of the magic that exists in the world. To remind you that even the smallest of wishes can come true, and that every day is a new opportunity to make a difference. And most importantly, I was sent to you to show you that you are never alone." And every night, as Anna sat by her window, watching the stars twinkle in the sky, she would remember Stella and the magic that had changed her life. She would make her wishes, blow out a soft breath, and know that anything was possible. The end.